Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling, and this video is why decks leak. We have a lot of fall there, but we have a huge dip right in the middle here, so the water kind of just collects there. Another reason why is we have the 4x4 post for the handrail on top of the deck, so it gives an area where the water can wiggle in, and that's where we have the leak. Let's check that one. Well, I can almost put my pinky in there. Look at that. I can put my pinky in there. It's got fall, but it's got a big dip in it. And over here where the leak is, let's check that area out. They're the same. Not quite my whole pinky, but almost. Here it's almost level. You see the coating's bubbled, and it has a lot of checking along here. It'll crack all the way. These are some of the areas of why decks leak. Inadequate design. Got a big old ridge here. And you can see where they did some patching with the roof cement. Another reason is the metal is all flared up, so we're going to nail this down the whole way. And we're going to take this transition piece off, put new 3/4 plywood on, and install the fiberglass mat with the epoxy. Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling. I'm going to show you another reason why decks leak. The drip edge was out, and so what we did is we nailed it all the way. Another thing we noticed is the leading edge was up a little bit, and we take the hammer and just get that last 2 inches right off. And that really helps out our deck. I'll show you this in a minute. See how it's down now? Before it had a little curl up, and then the metal was flared up, and so now we reversed it, so we'll have more flow on this water. So one of the reasons why decks leak is inadequate drainage, and the front edge is higher than the rest of the deck, so it kind of hangs the water up. Another thing we noticed is, you see this? There was no coating here, so the coating went straight here and straight here, and there was nothing here, and so water wiggled in through there, in through the handrail. Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is we're coating out a second-story balcony for one of our customers. We retextured it, and now we caulked it, and we're putting on the top coat. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for balcony coatings, any kind of balcony repairs you have at your home or your office. We already went around all the posts and around all the edges. This balcony is 4.5 feet wide and about 24 feet long. Have a great day and bye for now.